Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up multiple monitors on ThinkorSwim. If you have more than one display connected and your operating system is set to extend these displays, you're ready to go. We'll start in the ThinkorSwim platform and move a chart to a second screen, while also showing how to create a multi-panel layout. Begin by opening the ThinkorSwim app and signing in. Once the platform loads, head to the Charts area. This is where you'll manage your layouts and prepare windows to move across monitors. Look to the upper right corner of the chart panel for a small rectangle icon. It resembles a grid or window layout button. Hover your mouse over this icon to reveal layout options. Choose the multiple layout to split your current chart into a grid. This is useful if you want several charts visible at once before placing them on different screens. After selecting a layout, the chart area will update to show the panels. Next, in that same chart panel, find the menu with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click it to open more actions for the current chart window. From this menu, select Detach. The chart will pop out into its own separate window. You can now drag this detach window onto your second monitor and resize or maximize it to fit the screen. This is the key step that lets you spread your workspace across multiple displays. A few tips to make this smoother. If the rectangle icon isn't visible, try widening the platform window or reducing your zoom level so the top toolbar has space to show all controls. If the detach option is grayed out, make sure you're clicking the 3-line menu within the chart panel header, not a different area. On Windows, snapping the detached window to the edge of a monitor can quickly size it to half or full screen. On Mac OS, use the green window button for full screen if desired. You can repeat the detach action on additional chart panels to place separate charts on a third or fourth monitor. Arrange timeframes and symbols as needed, then keep the main platform window on your primary display for watch lists and order entry. That's it. Open the app, go to Charts, use the rectangle icon to choose a multiple layout, click the 3-line menu, and select Detach to move a chart to another screen. With these steps, your ThinkorSwim workspace will take full advantage of every monitor.